Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today we're going to take a look at a nice case. If you are a DJI drone owner and you're looking for a way to be able to transport a lot of your different accessories and the drone itself, as you guys can see here, I have my RC2 controller. I have the Flymore combo. Now this is for the DJI Air 3S. This specific case, guys, is actually designed for a different one of the DJI drones. That is for the DJI Flip. So what I want you guys to be able to see here is all of the cool things that this little case offers. Now it comes with a shoulder strap, which is going to be really easy for you to mount this and carry it, like a little, day bag or something like that. Really nice material that this is made from. You can also see that there's a really sturdy handle on here as well that also is very well made. Great zipper design for this. Another thing that I like a lot about these cases is that they also have a really nice pocket area here with the zipper that allows you to carry like your cables and all of those type of things. So as far as your controller goes, you'll easily be able to place your controller inside of the case right here. Your Flip will fit in here. Now I've used these similar cases, guys, for a variety of my different drones, my Air 3S, my Neo, and things like that. So if you have a DJI Flip, this could be an excellent case for you to take a look at. You even have room inside of that little pocketed area to put your ND filters. And like I said, all of your other cables and everything will fit easily into that. So definitely take a look at this case, guys. All right, guys, so it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Just want to do a quick video showing you guys a really cool case for my drone enthusiasts out there looking for a way to be able to travel with your drones and also make sure that they're going to be safe. This could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, I will see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.